we decided to take a little trip down memory lane and visit our old apartment here in Leuven, or Leuven. This place is where Stella Artois is made, the beer, the Belgian beer, just for your information. So we lived at the top of this building for 2 years while studying. I really like visiting places where I've been for a longer periods of time. It's always cool to see what changed and just to feel the vibes again of what it used to feel like to live here. So we're gonna ride around here for a while and probably do a little walk here in the forest. And yes, that's it. Anything to add? No. Some people reacted in the comments saying Belgium is as flat as a pancake. Well, at some areas it's not. Sometimes it's really steep. But where I live, around Antwerp, yes, that's really flat. That's true.
Gimme.
What?
I want more. Thank you. It's almost empty.
It's incredible how many people reacted to me saying I don't understand women. So many people reacted. You don't have to understand women. All those people saying it's really normal to not understand women.
And why are you saying this now?
There was one woman that reacted saying, "Don't insult women. Don't insult women." You know,
yeah.
Did I mention this already?
No.